Have you ever found yourself packing for a trip and wondering if there's a better way to do it? We've all been there, standing in front of our suitcase, trying to fit everything we think we need. But what if I told you there are simple travel hacks that could change the way you pack and travel forever? In this video, we will share hacks that will help you travel smarter, pack lighter, and make your trip stress-free. Whether you're flying for business or heading out on a vacation, these travel tips will help you save time, money, and make your experience smoother than ever. Let's dive into these life-changing hacks that every traveler should know in 2025. 1. The Carabiner Hook, a simple yet effective tool. Have you ever had your carry-on suitcase mistaken for someone else's? Or even worse, had your bag mistakenly taken at baggage claim? Well, here's a nifty hack that could save you a lot of stress. The Carabiner Hook. You can attach this simple tool to your suitcase zipper or handle. Not only will it make your bag stand out, but it also prevents someone else from grabbing it by accident. The bright color of the Carabiner Hook will make it easy to spot from a mile away. It's a quick fix that works wonders. But here's the extra benefit. If your carry-on suitcase gets checked at the last minute, you'll easily spot it on the baggage carousel. And if you're in a busy airport, the Carabiner Hook acts as a clear marker so you won't waste time looking at every bag just to find out it's not yours. It's a small addition, but it'll save you a lot of hassle. In addition, a brightly colored Carabiner Hook also helps to avoid confusion, especially if you're traveling with a group. It makes it so much easier to spot your luggage when everyone's bags look the same, and with all those similar-looking suitcases in the baggage claim area, this hack is a lifesaver. Plus, it's a low-cost way to ensure your bag stands out from the crowd. It's a small item that packs a big punch when it comes to security and ease of travel. 2. Toiletry set hacks. Snacks for kids made easy. Traveling with kids can be a challenge, especially when it comes to keeping them entertained on long flights. But here's a clever hack. Use a travel toiletry set to store snacks for your little ones. This idea comes from one of our viewers, Linda, who organizes snacks into separate compartments for each hour of the flight. This makes snack time easy and stress-free for both you and your kids. It's a great way to keep their snacks fresh and organized, reducing the chaos that often comes with handling a snack bag on a flight. You can even include treats they can eat gradually, so there's no pressure on them to finish everything all at once. Plus, if your kids are picky eaters, this hack allows you to divide the snacks into portions they're familiar with, ensuring they eat what they like. You can even hang the set from the tray table or seat back pocket on the airplane. This way, your children can access their snacks without making a mess, and you won't have to rummage through your bag every time they're hungry. It's an organized and efficient way to keep everyone satisfied while traveling. This hack works especially well for long-haul flights or road trips, where having well-organized snacks is essential to prevent tantrums or hunger meltdowns. 3. The winter coat trick for air travel. Packing a winter coat can take up a lot of precious space in your carry-on, especially when you're flying from a cold climate to a warmer one. Here's a simple hack. Roll your winter coat up tightly and secure it with rubber bands. This will help save room in your bag while still keeping your jacket handy for when you land. If you're traveling between two climates, this hack will make sure you're prepared for both. The key to this hack is that you can wear your coat when you get off the plane if it's cold outside. You'll look fashionable and stay warm without carrying a bulky jacket around during your entire trip. One viewer shared that they roll their jacket into a compact size and then carry it as a backpack or throw it over their shoulder while moving through the airport. It's a great way to stay hands-free and stylish. And if you're traveling between two climates, it's a lifesaver when you need to switch between warm and cool weather clothing. It's a great solution to that annoying problem of packing bulky coats in a small carry-on. Plus, if you're concerned about wrinkles, rolling the coat instead of folding it can help reduce creases. 4. Packing smart. Compression cubes for quick access. We've all had that moment when we're searching for a shirt or a pair of socks at the bottom of our carry-on. To make your packing more efficient, use compression cubes. These handy tools allow you to store your clothes in an organized, compact manner. The key here is to pack vertically, not horizontally, which will give you more space in your carry-on. Compression cubes are designed to maximize the space in your suitcase, making it easier to store clothes without wrinkles. This also means you won't have to worry about things getting lost at the bottom of your bag. With these cubes, you can organize your clothes, toiletries, and even shoes in separate compartments, making it easy to grab whatever you need without unpacking everything. And if your luggage gets lost or delayed, you'll be prepared. Just pack a couple of basic essentials like a shirt, socks, and underwear in one of these cubes. That way, you won't be left scrambling for something to wear while you wait for your bag to catch up. The compression cubes ensure that you stay comfortable and organized, even if your luggage is taking its time to arrive. Plus, they help you keep your bag neat and tidy, so you'll never have to worry about messy clothes again. 5. Airport hacks to avoid stress. Airport security and long lines can cause a lot of stress, but with the right preparation, you can breeze through it. Here's a pro tip. If you're traveling with liquids and don't have TSA pre-check, loosen your shoelaces and attach your liquids bag to the handle of your personal item bag using a carabiner hook. This will save you the hassle of digging through your bag to find it when you're asked to show it at security. By attaching your liquids bag in a convenient spot, you'll have easy access when it's time to pass through security. No more scrambling to open your bag and search for your liquids, which can waste precious time. This hack is especially useful when you're in a rush or if you have multiple liquids to manage, such as lotions, shampoos, or hand sanitizers. Another hack for avoiding security stress is to use a slightly squished roll of toilet paper or wet wipes in your carry-on. They take up less space and are perfect for situations when you need to freshen up. They're also a great backup if you're visiting public places where supplies might be low. This simple hack will ensure you have what you need without taking up too much room in your bag. Plus, wet wipes can be a lifesaver for cleaning hands or surfaces when you're on the go, especially in areas where hand sanitizers might not be readily available. And there you have it, 5 travel hacks every traveler should know for 2025. With these easy and practical tips, you'll be able to travel more efficiently, pack like a pro, and eliminate the usual stresses of travel. Whether it's keeping your luggage secure with a simple carabiner hook or rolling your clothes to maximize space, these hacks will take your travel game to the next level. If these tips made your travel planning easier, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are getting ready for their next getaway. Thanks so much for watching, and here's to more hassle-free adventures ahead. Stay tuned for even more tips to improve your travels.